Okay, so I've downloaded and exported all of the personal and attainment information I need on the group, and I've manipulated that to identify ability groupings within that class. So it might actually inform how I organise the tables, how I organise the groups, and in order to aid successful organisational learning, so the needs of each of these different ability groups are met. So now what I want to look at is how will I use level descriptors provided either by, or grade descriptors provided by specifications or programs of study from the national curriculum. How am I going to use them to make sure that the challenge that I'm setting through my objectives and through the tasks in the lesson are appropriate to this group? So I have a group that range from level 3, 4 and 5. So I'm obviously looking to move those students on to the next level. So really I'm looking to look at the level descriptors for levels 4, because I want the 3s to go to 4, the descriptor for level 5, because I want to take my 4s to 5, and actually also for these 3 students at the bottom I want to look at the level 6 grade level descriptors so that I can get these level 5s progressing on to level 6. Okay, so I would go to the, if it's a national curriculum subject, so here for example, because we're using citizenship as an example, I'm in the Key Stage 3 national curriculum page. I've gone for the citizenship page and I'm now clicked on the level descriptors. All of this can be downloaded via PDF using different links, but I'm just going to use it live on the internet. So, as you can see, what I've got is the level 4, 5 and 6 level descriptors, so that I can start to look at which particular strand of these descriptors am I hoping to develop. And once I've picked that strand, I will look at how I need to vary the challenge and increase the challenge so that I'm stretching those most able. So what I've not done at any point yet, and what you will not see referenced in these level descriptors, is content. The national curriculum subjects are now not very prescriptive on content. They give themes and concepts that they wish to develop in the curriculum, but they are not very prescriptive on the actual content. Now that is where the craft of the teacher comes in deploying content that provides the best vehicle to develop these skills. So the skill I'm looking to develop in this lesson will really target this strand of the level descriptor. So this part that says they identify different and opposing views and can explain their own opinion about what is fair and unfair in different situations. So that's really what I want my least able, this group of level 3s, I'm going to look to develop their ability to demonstrate that, and therefore demonstrate that they are working at level 4, therefore showing progress. For that middle group, I'm going to ask a little bit more of them, because I want them to do the same, but according to this, to refer to a relevant national dimension. Okay, so I'm going to think of the topic that I would really want them to refer to, and the topic that best provides them with the opportunity to do that. So I'm actually going to use the summer riots. So in order for the students to be able to access these levels and demonstrate their ability, my objective will be to evaluate how fairly the courts treated rioters this summer. So we've got a national context, and students will have to evaluate how fair the court's treatment was.